Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, inside this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the new beta feature inside of the YouTube app. This beta feature lets you get an official dark mode made by the developers of YouTube. This is not a fake Eclipse one, this is actually done by the developers, and it looks really nice. It's not like a Twitter dark mode where it's blue, it actually has the dark gray, and it looks really good in my opinion. So inside this video, first I'm going to be showing you it, then I'm going to be showing you how to get it, and everything else. So anyways, before I jump right in guys, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you're new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video guys. I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on my iPhone right now, so I'm going to go ahead and open up YouTube, and then here's the app right here. So if I go ahead and go to my channel, hit the settings button, oops, I did not mean to hit that, I thought I hit dismiss. As you can see under YouTube, there is dark theme, and there you go. YouTube looks a hell of a lot better like this. It is actually a lot beautiful, really beautiful like this. So yeah. So anyways guys, you can see everything's dark mode, even the video players, comments, all of that. There will be ads on the bottom, but you can tweet them to get them away. All you gotta do is make a Twitter account. If you don't have one, you can get rid of the ads on the bottom of the screen for a week. So it works out really good, or you can pay for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this app right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and open up Cydia, and I'm going to show you guys that I do not have any tweaks that give this to me. I'm going to look for CCRecord because that is the tweak that does this, because this is for no jailbreak, guys. If you're wondering why don't I just reboot my device and go to a non-jailbroken state, I'm using Goblin and there's a lot of bugs if I reboot my device. And then on top of that, people will still see Cydia on there and they'll start flipping out saying it's fake. So as you can see, when I opened up Cydia, there was no CCRecord, and I went down to the Y to show you I had no tweaks that even started with Y. So here's AppValley right here. What you're going to do is you're going to install AppValley. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it up. Once you guys open it up, you can either scroll through new if you're watching this video within 24 hours after it aired on YouTube, or you can go to Browse Apps and you can either hit the search bar or you can scroll down and look for CCRecord. Once you find it, go ahead and tap it, click Get, tap Install, hit the home button, and wait for it to install. I need to close out of this before I stop the video. Sorry about that, that's another bug. I'll end up crashing my springboard if I went to my control center while that was out there. It's like been there bug since ever since I started jailbreaking on iOS 9. First jailbreak I ever did was on, I think, the ending of iOS 8. Anyways, enough getting off topic. Let's go ahead and wait for this to get done installing all the way. Should be done any second now. Almost done. Not quite there yet. And there we go. Alright, so there you go. As you guys can see it installed. So if I try opening it, I get that error. So I'm going to hit cancel, open up your settings, go to general, scroll down to the bottom, profiles, device management, scroll down even further, enterprise app, trust again. Now I did do that pretty fast, so if you guys have trouble doing it, you can always rewind it by 10 seconds and watch it over. So when you guys first open it up, it's going to be white like this. You're going to sign into your YouTube account, click on your YouTube picture, go to the official YouTube settings, and then enable dark theme. Then go to the CCRecord settings, go to enhancements, and turn on disable ad block. So then you guys can watch all of your favorite YouTubers with the ads on there to help support them. Now if it's one of the Jake Paul or Logan Paul videos, then go ahead and turn off the ads because that doesn't matter. But yeah, this is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.